Hello and welcome to another travel adventure with Sam, and today I'm in Sydney. I'm in the Convention Centre attending the Food Service Australia trade show. I'm actually working here with the company that I work for, Manassan Foods. They've got an excellent stand here as well. We'll go past that later. But I just thought I'd show you some of the companies that are being represented here at the Food Service Australia trade show. It's the largest food service trade show in Australia. It's being held over 3 days. Today's Sunday, and obviously it's going to be held over Monday and Tuesday as well. But as you can see, it's quite large, and there's a lot of companies here that are represented today. And some have gone all out with their stands, which is really, really great. So, yeah, we're just going to do a bit of a loop, a bit of a lap, so you can see what's happening. Well, we've got Unox here. They're doing a bit of a demonstration with a chef. That's pretty good. They got some commercial equipment here. Wow, look at this. It's incredible. So this is everyone that the who's who in food service is represented here today. So they got sushi machines. Look at this. Wow. That's a sushi machine right there. How good. Hello, how are ya? G'day. Wow, look at that. Life's Good, LG. And there's more stuff over that side too, but yeah, I'll just continue walking down this aisle. Wedderburn. They got meat slices and scales, etc. So a lot of this side over here, I think, is more the equipment side of food service, as you can see, and packaging. We'll go over to where the food is in a minute. That's Purezza. That's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. Restaurant and Catering Australia. Look at this. We'll just keep going around. What have we got here? Riva 2-flavour dispensing systems. That's another piece of equipment. Juice Breeze. Wow. Biopack, again, not only equipment but also packaging. This area here is looks like a little restaurant area. St Vincent's Care ACF Restaurant Challenge. So obviously they're doing something there later, which is great. They've got a competition on, Australian Professional Chef of the Year. So that's going to be good. Clorox, Glad and Chucks are over there. Cookers. That's really good. We'll continue on this way. There's so many stands here today. So many stands. By Manu. Whoa, there's Manu. Hi Manu, how are you? I can't believe it. I've got Manu on camera. Nice to meet you, mate.
Likewise, mate.
That's Manu from, where was he from? He's from some cooking show. I forgot the name of it. But he's a legend. French chef on Australian TV. New Pure Beverages. New Pure Beverages. I think that's a water company. Marco Polo Foods. Actually, Marco Polo Foods. Hello.
How are you?
Good. We've got some really good stuff here. See? Hello, hello. Look at that. Really good stuff. Marco Polo Foods. Ali's Cold Pressed Juices. I think we'll go down this way. There's so much to see. Saputo Dairy. That's Devondale. Hello. Dairies. What's this? The Handmade Food Co. Handmade is always good. Greenmont Foods. Letizia Pizza Bases. Wow. This is the alternate dairy company. They're making coffees, which is really good. Bone Roasters, another coffee place. So this is Paddy's Pies. There you go, Paddy's Pies. Melco Foods. This is Milk Lab. They're making coffees as well. A lot of people, they're very popular, the coffee places. Really cool. Just want to go down here because there's a guy that I met. His name's Denny. Hey Denny, say hi mate. In Pasta Italia. This is your stand.
Salvatore.
Yeah, this is going on YouTube, so be careful. All right.
Salvatore.
Yeah, Salvatore. Mate,
Abruzzese.
yes I am, and you've done a great job here. I love your little screen up there, mate. Looks brilliant.
You came at the perfect time.
I know,
It's all
how good
about
is that?
pasta.
Yeah, no, congratulations. Have a great 3 days, all right? Okay, ciao, ciao. How good is that? He was a lovely man. That's Ian. Sorry, Denny. What am I getting confused now? Here we are again at Manassan Foods. Hello. Yeah, I know. I always catch Terry when he's eating something. Hi, Annie, looking as beautiful as ever. Look at you. Look at you with that Manassan Foods sign behind you. I reckon this is probably one of the best stands. Has to be. Has to be. All right, I'm going to be very quick. And all right, this is Tassal. I spoke to that guy over there. His name is Ian. All right, there's Ian. Look at this seafood here. Look at that. It's amazing stuff. All right, so that's Tassal. Very, very cool. All right, what else have we got here? Tibaldi. Look at that. Tibaldi. You can't go past beautiful small goods. Look at that. Lovely. Beautiful, my friend. Okay. There's so much to see here, guys. I'm going to do this video and I'm going to show you as much as I can, but I'm missing out quite a lot because truly there are so many stands here. I'm just walking around. It's like a rabbit warren, really. Japanese seafood, Texang. These are a lot of Asian places here. Colossus Foods since 1972. Look at this. Wow. Anyway, check this out, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, check this out.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Organic acai. Oh my goodness. That is brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great 3 days. Sorry?
Come and try some.
I will, Ruben. Ruben. Beautiful. Mate, lovely seeing you. And that looks delicious. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. And it came out of that. Excellent. I'll see you later on. So friendly, these people. So friendly. Well and good. Look at that. Gluten-free baked bread. Hello, hello, hello. We got Purabon, Bake Me Up. Alrighty. Kellanova. This is Kellogg's. Have changed their name to Kellanova. And they got some really good products here. Look at that. Kellanova. Years of good mornings. Excellent. Nice. Naked syrups. Look, there's so many stands. I don't know. I'm going to miss a few out, I'm sure. I want to take you down this way. Because, okay, this is Sunny Queen food service. So that's Sunny Queen eggs. Look how bright and colourful you guys are. Hello, hello. This is wonderful. Look at that. Oh, I want to see your eggs here. Look at your eggs. Hello. They're so cool. You guys are so colourful.
I know, and no, you can speak.
Oh, well, we could do a spin.
Go.
Well, okay, I'm going to do a spin, all right? I'm going to spin. All right, this is... All right, let's see what I'm going to win. An oven mitt. I've got an oven mitt. No way. Have I got an oven mitt, really? This is my YouTube channel, by the way. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, look what I've got. I've got a Sunny Queen oven mitt. My mum is going to love this.
Perfect.
Thank you. I'm going to come back later and I will talk to you again.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Aren't they lovely? I've got a bit. They got people over there talking, doing a bit of a lecture. What's this here? Nutella. Holy moly. How beautiful is Nutella? Hello. Delicious foods. Beautiful. Look at you. Have a great 3 days, yeah? Thank you. Dash water. I don't know what that is, but it looks pretty cool. And look at that. Dash water. Very cool. All natural kitchen. Hello, how are ya? Hello, hello. Look at that. Beautiful stuff. We've come back to Marco Polo Foods, JC's Quality Foods. All right, well, this is Berenberg Farm in South Australia. Woohoo! I'm from South Australia. Mate, how good is this stuff? How good is this stuff? I go to the Bath Hotel and I have these things right here. Amazing stuff. Well, good South Australian company. Love you guys. All right. Well, you know what, guys? Tasman Foods, look, I'm going to have to stop the video now because if I could just keep going on and on and on. Senza Wellness Foods. G'day, guys. How are we? Brand Courts Family Dairy. All right. Well, I've just had a bit of fun. I've got to go back and do some work now. So I'm going to end the video. I hope you liked this little video from Travel Adventures with Sam. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please feel free to share. And please subscribe to my channel. It's free to do and it helps my channel to grow. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of the Food Service Australia trade show held in the Sydney Convention Centre in Darling Harbour. And until next time, happy travels.